Once upon a time, in a village nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, there lived a curious ginger cat named Milo. Milo wasn't your ordinary cat. He had emerald green eyes that sparkled with mischief and a heart filled with wonder. Every full moon, when the sky blazed with a million tiny lights, Milo would gaze up in awe. He yearned to touch those twinkling stars. One night, as Milo basked in the moonlight, he spotted a star that glittered brighter than the rest. It seemed to wink at him, and Milo, with his heart pounding with excitement, wished with all his might to be able to touch it. To his astonishment, the star twinkled again, and in a voice like rustling leaves, it whispered, "If you find me, your wish will come true." Overcome with joy, Milo raced through the fields. Eager to find the magical star, he approached the wise old owl perched on a tree branch and asked, "Oh, great owl, where can I find the wish star?" The owl, with its keen eyesight, hooted softly, "Follow the river, little cat. It will lead you to where the star shines bright." So Milo, following the owl's advice, padded along the banks of the river. The water sparkled and glistened under the moonlight, guiding him along its path. As he journeyed, fireflies blinked their tiny lights in greeting, and the sound of crickets filled the air. At last, the river led Milo to the base of a tall hill. Looking up, he saw the wish star glimmering just above him. With renewed energy, Milo began to climb. Step by step, he ascended the hill, his eyes fixed on the star. But with each passing moment, it seemed to move further away. As Milo neared the top, his paws slipped on the rocky path, and he tumbled down, landing at the bottom, his ears drooping with disappointment. "Oh," he sighed, "I'll never reach the star." Suddenly, the fireflies that had been following him buzzed around him, their tiny lights glowing brighter than ever before. And in unison, they exclaimed, "Don't give up, Milo. We're here to help you." With the fireflies' help, Milo climbed once more. And although he didn't reach the star, it twinkled happily, knowing that Milo had found something even more precious, the true meaning of friendship. Together, Milo the cat and the fireflies spent the rest of the night playing and chasing each other under the watchful gaze of the wish star. And from that day on, they remained the best of friends, proving that sometimes the greatest adventures lead to the most unexpected discoveries. The end.